Welcome to the latest DIY adventure from Schogini Toys. This time, we are introducing an infrared sensor-based fire alarm kit, a perfect addition to your safety projects. To get started, simply open the battery holder, insert 3 AA batteries, and switch on the kit. You'll know it's ready when you hear a series of short beeps. That's our automatic fire alarm gearing up. Now, let's safely test our fire alarm. Using a lighter, with adult supervision, you'll see the alarm spring into action. It not only has a blinking LED but also buzzer beeps to ensure maximum alertness. To reset or arm the fire alarm, simply press the push switch, or alternatively, turn the power off and then back on. But here's the really fun part. Get creative and build an attractive cardboard model security box for your next school science fair. With the included jumper wires, you can easily extend the LED and IR sensor. And don't worry if any wires come loose, the manual has got you covered with easy reconnection instructions. So, are you ready to build your own automatic fire alarm? It's all about hands-on building, learning, and, of course, having a blast with Schogini Toys DIY kits. Stay tuned for more exciting kits. Together, let's continue creating amazing things.